Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of distributed ledger technology, often called DLT. You might have heard whispers of this revolutionary technology, perhaps in the same breath as blockchain or cryptocurrencies. But what exactly is DLT, and why is everyone so excited about it? In simple terms, DLT is a new way of recording and sharing information. Imagine a digital ledger, like a giant spreadsheet, that is not stored in one place but is distributed across a network of computers. This shared ledger allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks or governments. Intrigued? You should be. DLT has the potential to revolutionize various industries, from finance and supply chain management to healthcare and voting systems. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey to explore the fascinating world of DLT, its inner workings, its vast potential, and the challenges it faces. Ready to unlock the power of DLT? Let's get started. Let's start by demystifying distributed ledger technology. In essence, DLT is a digital system for recording information. This information is stored in blocks, which are linked together in a chronological order. Each block is cryptographically secured and linked to the previous block, forming a chain of information. This chain is what we call a distributed ledger. Now, what makes DLT unique is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional databases, which are stored on a central server, a DLT is distributed across a network of computers. This means that no single entity controls the ledger. Instead, it is maintained by a consensus of participants on the network. Think of it like a shared spreadsheet, where everyone has a copy. Whenever a change is made, everyone on the network gets updated with the latest version. This distributed architecture makes DLT incredibly secure, transparent, and resistant to tampering. It's like having a global, tamper-proof record-keeping system that everyone can trust. This has profound implications for various industries, as we'll explore later. For now, remember that DLT is all about secure, transparent, and distributed record-keeping. We've established that DLT is decentralized. But what does that look like in practice? Imagine a network of computers, each representing a participant. Each participant has a copy of the ledger, constantly updated and synchronized. They validate and add new transactions through consensus. This ensures data integrity, security, and transparency. The true power of DLT lies in its decentralized nature. Let's break down how this decentralization translates to real-world advantages. Firstly, DLT eliminates the need for intermediaries. In traditional systems, we rely on banks to process transactions, governments to maintain records, and other central authorities to verify information. DLT removes these middlemen by allowing direct peer-to-peer transactions and data sharing. This peer-to-peer interaction fosters trust and transparency. Since everyone has a copy of the ledger, any participant can verify transactions independently. This eliminates the risk of fraud, manipulation, or single points of failure. Secondly, the distributed nature of DLT makes it incredibly secure. Hacking into a centralized system means compromising a single point of entry. However, with DLT, an attacker would need to compromise a majority of the network to alter any information. This distributed security model makes DLT nearly impossible to corrupt, ensuring data integrity and reliability. This characteristic is particularly valuable for sensitive information, such as financial transactions, medical records, or voting data. A transaction journey on a DLT. Let's illustrate how DLT works with a simple example. Imagine you want to send $10 to your friend using a DLT-based platform. You initiate the transaction through a digital wallet connected to the DLT network. Your transaction request is broadcast to the network of computers, or nodes. Nodes verify the transaction using cryptographic algorithms. Once verified, your transaction is grouped into a block. The new block is added to the blockchain after consensus. Your friend receives the $10, and the transaction is immutably recorded. Section 6. The beauty of immutability and transparency. Two key features make DLT revolutionary: immutability and transparency. Immutability means once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered. Each block is linked through cryptographic hashes, creating an unbreakable chain. Transparency means all transactions are visible to everyone on the network. Personal information can be masked, but transactions are publicly auditable. Combined, they create a system where every action is recorded and verifiable, enhancing trust and accountability among participants. Section 7. DLT and Action Real-World Applications. DLT's potential extends far beyond cryptocurrencies. Its unique characteristics make it applicable across a wide range of industries. Let's look at some real-world applications where DLT is making a difference. Supply chain management. DLT can track products as they move through the supply chain, from origin to consumer. This provides transparency, improves efficiency, and reduces the risk of counterfeit goods. Financial services, DLT can streamline payments, reduce transaction fees, and facilitate faster cross-border transactions. Healthcare, DLT can securely store and share electronic health records, improving data security and interoperability in the healthcare industry. Voting systems, DLT-based voting systems can ensure tamper-proof and transparent elections, enhancing trust in democratic processes. Digital identity, DLT can create secure and verifiable digital identities, reducing identity theft and simplifying online verification processes. These are just a few examples of how DLT is being used to solve real-world problems. As the technology matures, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge across various sectors. Section 8. The DLT Advantage, Benefits, and Use Cases. The benefits of using DLT are numerous and compelling. Let's delve deeper into the advantages that DLT offers over traditional systems and explore specific use cases where these benefits shine. DLT's cryptographic foundation and decentralized nature make it incredibly secure, reducing the risk of fraud, data breaches, and manipulation. The public and auditable nature of DLT fosters trust and accountability among participants, as every transaction is readily verifiable. By eliminating intermediaries and automating processes, DLT can streamline operations and reduce transaction times. DLT can lower costs by removing the need for intermediaries, reducing paperwork, and minimizing the risk of errors. The inherent transparency and security of DLT build trust among participants, creating a more reliable and accountable system. These benefits make DLT an attractive solution for various use cases, including tracking products from origin to consumer, reducing counterfeiting and improving efficiency, ensuring tamper-proof and verifiable elections, enhancing trust in democratic processes, facilitating faster and cheaper international transactions, securely storing and sharing sensitive data, such as medical records or financial information. Section 9. Challenges on the horizon. Limitations of DLT. While DLT offers tremendous potential, it's crucial to acknowledge its limitations and challenges. Addressing these challenges is vital for the widespread adoption and success of DLT. DLT networks can face scalability challenges as the number of transactions and users grow, potentially leading to slower transaction speeds. The lack of clear regulatory frameworks for DLT and cryptocurrencies creates uncertainty and hinders mainstream adoption. Some DLT consensus mechanisms, such as proof of work, require significant energy consumption, raising environmental concerns. Different DLT platforms often operate independently, creating challenges for seamless data sharing and interconnectivity. DLT is often associated with cryptocurrencies and their volatility, creating a perception barrier for some potential users. Despite these challenges, the DLT ecosystem is constantly evolving. Researchers and developers are actively working on solutions to address these limitations and unlock the full potential of DLT. Section 10. The future of DLT, a transformative technology. Despite the challenges, the future of DLT looks promising. As the technology matures and solutions to existing limitations emerge, we can expect to see widespread adoption across various industries. DLT has the potential to revolutionize how we interact and transact online. It can create a more secure, transparent, and efficient digital landscape, empowering individuals and organizations alike. Imagine a future where supply chains are transparent, elections are tamper-proof, and digital identities are secure and verifiable. These are just a few possibilities that DLT unlocks. As with any emerging technology, challenges and uncertainties lie ahead. However, the potential benefits of DLT are too significant to ignore. By addressing the challenges and fostering collaboration, we can harness the transformative power of DLT to create a better future. Embracing the potential of DLT. DLT has the potential to reshape our digital world. Enhancing security, transparency, and efficiency, DLT offers a future where data is secure and systems are accountable. The DLT ecosystem is evolving, with developers and entrepreneurs unlocking its potential. Embrace DLT's possibilities while mindful of its limitations. Explore its applications and stay informed. The future of DLT is bright. Thank you for joining me on this journey.